Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I want to show you guys this armrest that I got. It's really cute and decorative and comfortable, which is really important. I wanted to get a new armrest because I felt like the old one that I had was a little bit too stiff and my clients were holding their hands really weird because of that. I also just showed you guys a black chrome powder from BornPrettyStore. I'm going to be using that in the set today. If you're interested in either of those products, they will be linked down below. As always, everything I use is linked down below. So I'm putting on 2 coats of dehydrator and 2 coats of primer. Someone asked me why I use so much dehydrator. I don't really feel like I use a lot. I just like to make sure that the nail is very well dehydrated. Sometimes I have some trouble with lifting and like premature lifting and just stuff like that. So I really like to make sure that any oils and dirts are dehydrated off of the nail plate. That way my acrylic can adhere really well. That's pretty much the reason why I use a generous amount of dehydrator. And as far as I'm concerned, dehydrator is not like primer. It's not very damaging. Like some primers have acids in them, which is why you have to apply them carefully only to the nail plate, sorry. So yeah, and if you see me use more than 2 coats, it's because the nail is really dry before I apply my bead, and I just want the nail to be a little bit more wet as I'm applying the bead of acrylic. So yeah, I'm using my number 12 alpha brush, and my code is FEMI10. My code is activated again, so if you guys want to save 10%, you can use my code. So I'm applying clear acrylic to all of her nails. As you can see, I'm using the long stiletto tips from BU. We ended up turning these nails into coffin, which is very easy to do. If you ever fill in some nails or create some stiletto nails and you want to change to coffin, just clip off the ends. So I'm going to let you guys watch the rest of my application and I'll be back after filing. Thank you guys for all of the well wishes. I hope everyone had a great holiday with their family, and I'm wishing everyone prosperity and great health in the new year.
I'll be holding you. These roads intersect, on each one I reflect. These lines write my story. These places change me, each one replacing. Like night into morning, I miss the open air, the going anywhere, riding with you like we used to. Guess I'm better off alone, never know when I'll get home, but I know that home's where the heart is. Guess I'm better off this way, moving to better days, but I know that home's where the heart is. Home's where the heart is. The endless journey, I need not worry. I'll get where I'm going. I made it this far, beyond where you are, and I'll keep on growing. I miss the open air, the going anywhere, riding with you like we used to. Guess I'm better off alone, never know when I'll
Okay, so after file shaping and buffing her nails, I'm going to be applying 2 thin layers of Madame Glam's Perfect Black Gel Polish, curing between each layer. My tip to you guys when working with gel polish and chrome, I recommend that you make your acrylic base just a little bit thinner than you usually would if you were doing an all acrylic design, just for the fact that many layers of gel and chrome can add a lot of bulk onto the nail. So if you start off a little bit thinner than usual, the end result will be not bulky, it will just look normal. So some of these nails, so at some angles the nails look very, very thin, but at the end result they will look like they're supposed to look. But yeah, that's just my tip, because there's nothing worse than like creating a set of nails and they just turn out really bulky and misshapen because the base was already at the right shape and then you just added on a bunch of product on top. So yeah, that's my little trick and tips for you guys. I'm using a Alpha Brush short oval gel brush in size 10, I think. And I'm just using that with acetone to quickly clean up any gel off of her skin before I stick her hand in the lamp. There are other brushes that you can use to clean up around the nails, but this is the only brush that I have to use right now, so. Now I'm top coating the nails, and I have 2 different finishes on this set. I'm using IBD Intense Seal top coat for my shiny nails, and then for my matte, I'm using Presto matte gel top coat. So another tip is wiping the underside edge of the nails after applying top coat. It helps keep the nails in shape. Something that I will do is after curing the top coat, I will go in with a file if it's really misshapen and just shape it up. And I've never really had an issue doing that. So here I'm just wiping away these sticky layers to reveal the matte coat. And I'm burnishing in the Born Pretty black chrome into my shiny nails using my latex glove. And then I will seal that chrome in with another layer of IBD Intense Seal. I think the black chrome is really nice. I wish my application was a little bit better on this set, but I was rushing. If I wasn't rushing, it probably would have been a lot smoother and a lot more consistent. Like some nails look a little bit more steel gray and smooth than others, and I'm not 100% sure why, but I think it had to do with the fact that I was rushing. I think this black chrome is very unique. I haven't seen anything like it. I know when you apply Daily Charm white chrome on top of black, it kind of gives a gunmetal gray look to it, but this is a little bit darker than that, a little deeper. and it's really pretty next to the matte, so I really enjoyed this and I recommend it to you guys if you're looking for a black chrome. So the stones that I'm applying, I'm using Zulays Bling Adhesive by the way, but the stones that I'm applying are jet black. I got these from a bead shop in Houston, but I'm pretty sure you can find these on eBay. And someone was asking me where I got these stones. Unfortunately, I got them in person, but they should be pretty easy to find. I'm gonna try to find some links on eBay and put them in the description box if I can find any. So I'm just placing those around the cuticle. I didn't want to go too crazy on this set. And this really pretty diamond shaped black stone is from Banggood, and it comes in a wheel of different colored diamond shaped stones for a really great price. So I highly recommend you guys to check that out. I'm using a wax stick to apply my stones. I get asked all the time what I'm using, and it's a wax stick. It's just a bunch of wax in a pencil shape that you can sharpen and continually reuse. You can get these at craft stores for a really reasonable price. And here I'm applying a little bow cross charm dangle thing. I only have one of these, so I just put it on one hand and it came out pretty cute, I think. And yeah, this set is really simple, but it's really cute. I really love how it turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. If you're new, please subscribe and click the notification bell so that you never miss an update from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate all of you so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!